Cool Kids YouTube channel. We are hitting up some of these stores in the San Fernando Valley today. Starting off with apparel. We got Nike right off the bat. The Nike windbreaker. $125 for this? Why is this normally $125? It's just a regular Nike windbreaker down to $40. Why would that be $1.25, dude? Columbia fleece hoodie. Normally $70 down to $35. In the mediums, Under Armour. Pullover $100 down to $35 for this one. Some sort of interesting material. Got some NBA apparel right here. This is the team apparel. $17 for that hoodie. Super cheap looking. Nike dry fit running shirt. $17. Size large Nike. Just a Nike long sleeve shirt. This is normally $80. Why would this normally be $80? Now that it's down to $20. Got a couple of those in a large. Guess it matches Laker stuff. Another one of these Justin Jefferson jerseys. The number 2. His number from LSU. Before he became Viking, or before he actually got a number. $1.30 down to $40. It's funny seeing those. I was so confused when I first saw them. Extra large right here. Smith jersey. $1.30 down to $40. Stitches brand Yankees merch. $25. Yo, if they had these in a medium, I would so grab one. This is fire. Nike men's USA soccer jacket. And what is this going for? Normally $105 down to $35. If they had this in a medium, I would definitely grab one. Wow. Got a couple of those. Okay. And then whenever we see something dope like that, you have to recheck your size. I'm checking the size mediums again. Nah, nothing. Double XL. Kendricks. Don't really know who that is. It's a nice ass jersey though, dude. $1.30 down to $40. And then of course got a double XL Rogers. Damn, I need to meet with my boy to give him the large that I got him. $1.30 down to, these have been going for $40. There's no price tag. Oh no, there's a price tag, my bad. $40 right there. Been finding some interesting accessories like beanies and stuff like that, and I think we got some of that today. Yeah, this beanie is fire, dude. I love these newer ones. This isn't the one with the lining and stuff, but the material's like really thick, really nice. $15 for these. We got a Chiefs one right here. Also got a Ravens, both going for $15. This is a Chiefs 47 brand one. This is, I think that newer one's a little bit nicer. This one's down to $15 as well. Yo, it's about freaking time. It's about freaking time. That's what's up. That's what's up. You know I'm grabbing this one for $15. This one have the lining? Nah. Oh, it has a lining inside, but it's throughout the whole thing. Oh, yeah. We grabbing that bad boy. $15. Got a Steelers one right here. I already have a couple. Oh, actually, I sent one out and then need to get one to one of the homies. That's $15. Another Steelers one right here. This is 47 brand for $15. I don't like the color combination on that one. Moving over to another one. Got Eagles. Eagles down to $15. Another one of these Chiefs ones. What team is this right here? Oh, another Chiefs. It's a different one. Okay. Got Yankees. This is 47 brand. It looks like they're all going for $15. Yep. Might be the best beanie selection I've seen. And finally found Niners. It is gray. I kind of wish it was black or white with the red. But yeah, because this makes it a little harder to match with stuff. But it's all good. It's all good. I'm always looking for Niners merch on a discount. Oh wait, we got more. We got more over here. Steelers 47 brand. Got Packers 47 brand. Another one of these Chiefs one. Another Yankees one. Wow. Another one of these right here. And then they have like a bunch of Adidas. They got a bunch of other ones as well. Hurley brand. They got Carhartt. Okay. What the heck is this? This does not even look like a full size. Is this a full size? Why does it look so small? But yeah, these are 25. Ross price 13. And got this. I've never seen this before. Nike Elite basketball college Hall of Fame one. 20 bucks for this one, but obviously there's no full box. Got a bunch of apparel here. If you're an NFL fan, do got those right there. Youth football, what are these called? Youth football gloves right here. One size fits most. What the hell? Stretch receiver gloves. Alright, do got these right here. They're $5, man. $5. I got a bunch of these, what, throw covers? Throws? They're just called throws, right? $15. Different teams. That was the Falcons. This is the Doyers one right here. Got Rams, Yankees. Yep, Yankees right there. Those are 15 and 10. These are $10 right here. And then they got these USC pillows. And these were what, 17, I believe? $15. And I think the Herbert one was 17. Yep, 17 for the Herberts. Alright, checking the hack session. How have I never seen Niners merch and all of a sudden I'm seeing multiple beanies? I'm not feeling that gray though. Yeah, I do got these 47 brand ones right here, 15. Got Bills one. That's a New Era. Got a Packers one right here. Got a Jets hat, 7 1/4 fitted hat. These have been going for what, 10 bucks or something lately? Yeah, $11. Broncos hat right here down to $10. That's a New Era. Chargers New Era fitted hat. This is a low profile though. I don't like these ones. I do not like them. $11. That's a size 8. All right, we're going to have to figure out which one I want. I'm going to have to grab one of these. I like the material on this one, but that gray up top doesn't make sense. This one. The material on this one's so much nicer. I'll be honest, color-wise, I'm not feeling either of these, to be honest. That gray kind of kills it. If I find them here, you know what? I'm going to have to hold off. Because if I find them here, that means I'll find them at other spots. And maybe I'll find some better colors. Dang, I hate leaving Niners merch behind. All right, moving on to sneakers. We got a size 9 right here. Slippers, size 9. Over 10 bucks. And it's wintertime, so those slippers are freaking perfect. Alright, let's check out the rest of the sneakers. Got some Vans. These are some interesting old schools, like some platform ones or something. Come with some extra dirt on it. Yeah, down to $24. Got some of these Converse hoop sneakers going for $40. Got some Dunks. Okay, maybe not. Got some NMDs, all white. With the gum bottom right here, go for $60. Damn, that white looks kind of dirty. I think that's just the material though. Another one of those. Got some Under Armour cleats right here. I think these are baseball cleats though. 15 bucks. Size 10.5. Got some of the Immortalities right here. Going for $45. We've seen that cheaper Thales with full box. Another one of these NMD, size 11. Yeah, these are what, $60, too much. Superstars right here going for $40. This is the most stuff I've ever seen here. Got some tennis shoes. Something hard courts. Court Pros going for $40. And then got some Shadow 6000s. Or 5000, my bad. Shadow 5000s. $50 for these bad boys right here. These are starting to grow on me. Size 13s. Air Max 20 90s down to 65. That's still a little bit high. Another pair of these. Got some Skate Highs right here going for 35. More of these Atentacumpos. Immortalities go for 45. I think that's the dopest stuff I've ever seen at this Ross, to be honest. Rarely ever see anything here. Pit stop in Santa Clarita right after the clearance store. If you guys saw that video. Alright, let's go check out this spot. Checking out the apparel. Dalvin Cook jersey right here, $40. Nike poofy jacket in an XL. And this is heavy as hell. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. $77. And it's down to $50. Damn, it is a great time to hit up these discount stores. Just all black. It does have that Nike logo up top. Got a Reebok hoodie right here. I do need some Reebok merch to match with my Iversons. $20. Pretty thin. Fanatics Dallas Cowboys merch right here. Double XL. It is a pullover. These go for $25. Moving on to the sneakers. Or boots in this case. $50 for these Nike boots. I don't know the name of these. We've seen these and they're size 9. Speaking of boots, got some New Balance boots right here. And a kid who really wants to say something. $43. Got some Under Armour slides in a size 10. That's what, $18. Skate lows in a camo if you want to hide. $40. Some Sauconys right here. These are the Shadow 5000s right here. Yeah. Decent colorway. $50. Hopefully those get reduced eventually. Red Forums, we've been seeing these getting marked down $28. These are bigger size. Holy cow, can we get a bigger sign? Like, can we get a bigger tag for this? Holy crap, look at that extra big tag. What the hell? The iShod, starting to see these here, $50. Just saw these at the clearance store for $45 here. We just saw these at the clearance store. They are going for $45 here. And then the Jordan 6s in a inhuman size going for $80. That's dope if you wear a size 18. And got Witnesses right here. These are a huge size, but I don't think it's as big as those Jordans. Size 14, $60 for those. They got those throws right there, the covers. And then they also have Doyer mugs right here, $15. Duke got Cowboys Bluetooth wireless speaker. This is a big one. I think I bought the small one. Like, I bought a few of them for like Cowboys fans and Charger fans because they were like $5. These are going for $15. Duke got a Doyer one right here for $15. And then also got these limited glasses. I doubt they're limited. But yeah, $10 for pint glasses. That's actually good. I have been in the lookout for these, just not in a red. Yeah, these retail for what, $120 or something? These go for $40. Got a couple in a size 7. Also in a size 6, which is the size I'm looking for women's, but not this color, dang it. Puente Hills in the Puente Hills Mall. Let's go. Stitches brand Dodgers hoodie right here down to $25. That seems a little bit high. These are dope, but it just seems a little bit high for like a lesser known brand. Team apparel right here, or NFL apparel, $20 for those. Jumped all the way to the size large and see nothing. The medium horn jersey right here down to $40. Hopkins jersey right here down to $40 as well. Nike poofy jacket right here. This is an XL. We haven't seen any good sizes. This is a double XL. This is a Thermafit, normally $180. $50. $50. That is fire. North Face. Was it like a pullover, like a poncho type of thing? $119 down to $40. Another jersey in the triple XL, the Hopkins jersey right there. Been seeing a ton of New Balance merch, whether it's like jackets and hoodies. $25 for those. It's an XL. Sneaker section. Do you got some New Balance? These are some what, 425s, one for $35. Smaller size. Super red boots. Some Timbs go for $70. Nike Trail Runners. Or what are these? The Wild Horse? Is that what these are? $50 for these. Oh, the Terra Tigers. My bad. $50 for these. That's way too high. Got some Nikes right here. P6000s go for. What was the price? Why didn't I check the price? $50. That's a 9.5. Got some Hokas, the Gaviota 4s. My kid loves his Hokas, dude. He loves the Cliftons. These are going for what, $90. These are size 10. There's more of these. Only $10 freaking dollars for those. Skate highs in the bigger sizes, $40. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature, size 14, go for $50. And then a dope beanie selection once again. OG Patriot stuff right here. Got Niners. Oh, got now. Oh, yeah. Oh, we know we gotta grab these. Definitely gotta grab these. New era. Yeah, definitely gotta grab these. Oh, hell yeah. It doesn't have like the gray on it and stuff. Just the Niners colors, man. That's what's up. Dude, got Chiefs ones right here for 15. Is this a Dory one? Yeah, I got a Dory one right here. This is a brand 47. These have all pretty much been 15. Yep, 15 for those. Eagles, Chiefs. Those are both 15. Then got these. These are $11. That's a fitted hat. New fitted hat for 11 bucks. Yeah, they're using that gray again. I don't know why brand 47's using all that gray. Kind of goes with the Dodgers one though. It's not too bad. Yeah, if that was just like blue, I'd grab it for somebody. Got a Bills one right here. Going for 15. Ooh, a Ravens one as well. Oh, I thought that was a Colts one. I was like, what? That is fire. But no, it's not a Colts one. Got a Yankees one right here. Dang, they got a ton of them. Is that like the dirtiest mirror I've ever seen? Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to grab these. It's going to keep my head super toasty. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. All right, last store. Let's go. Burlington. All right, nothing in the apparel here. Let's go see what's up in the sneaker section. What is it, Witness 7s? Is that what they're on now? It's the 6s. I don't know. But $50 is way too high. It's a size 10. Colorway of the Trey Young 2s. Have I seen these? I don't know. But they got a million different colorways, a million different sizes. 35 for those. I've seen some of them marked down. And ones right here. Going for 20. The Vapor. Are these the Vapor 360 or the Vapor? Just the Vapor cleats go for $30. I might have bought my kid the wrong size. Dang it. Got a ton of these in different sizes, ton of different colorways. That's a size 12. The Lowlands right here. The Lowlands. These retail for what? $80, $90 down to $18. Holy crap, that's one of the biggest deals. If that's your thing. You know, I know not everybody's into Vans. Got some Real Deal. One of these that have been used apparently, not just tried on, but used. These are $33 for the Adidas foams right there, bigger size. Cosmic Unity 3, size 17, $70. Got some D Rose right here, $40. $50 for the Witnesses right here in the huge size. Seems like a lot of stores been getting a ton of beanies. The Washington Commanders right here. These are team apparel. Material's not bad. $10, that's not bad. I just don't like how this part kind of like comes down. I'm not a big fan of that. I like it all sewn in and stuff. Just not as premium. But yeah, that's pretty much about it with hats and beanies here. Damn fools, I forgot it's still hot out here, man. I can't wear this beanie yet. All right, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.